the latest on the coronavirus. Rhode Island Governor Gina Raimondo, the Department of Health, they will hold a joint news conference today at noon on the latest response from the state. Yesterday, Department of Health announced the 4th and 5th positive cases in Rhode Island. One, a woman in her 50s who recently traveled to Egypt. Also a woman in her 30s that works at a hospital in Rhode Island.
In Massachusetts, Governor Baker declared a state of emergency. The number of positive cases in the Bay State nearly doubled yesterday from 51 to 92. 70 of those connected to that Biogen meeting in Boston last month.
Across the nation, number of cases has reached 1,031 total deaths, 24 of those in Washington state.
And officials from across the nation are continuing to cancel events, especially with large public gatherings. More colleges and universities are shutting down their campuses and having students take classes online.
Eyewitness News reporter Kate Walsh live at the Department of Health this morning with a look at what local colleges are now planning.
Well, Patrick and Danielle, we're starting to see some colleges in New England tell students who are currently on spring break, just don't return to campus after your spring break. And the latest to do so locally is Roger Williams University. They made the switch to online learning. They alerted faculty and students in a letter that they will be extending student spring break by a week to transition to online learning. Eyewitness News obtained a copy of that letter, which says in part, quote, "At this time, please be advised that students may not return to campus and that the residence halls and dining halls will be closed until further notice. Faculty and staff will continue operations as usual in order to begin preparations for remote instruction." Brown University says 3 students there are being monitored but have not tested positive for coronavirus, and classes are continuing as normal now. But Harvard University alerted students they'll be switching to online learning after spring break. One professor there is hesitant how that will all work.
There's a lot of equipment you have to sort of manipulate and push the right buttons. And the challenge is there's all these students just staring at you going, okay.
MIT also alerted students they will be switching to online courses, and closer to home, Bryant University made that announcement as well, saying that will run through at least March 27th. Of course, colleges everywhere are monitoring the situation. Many have created websites dedicated to what students need to know about coronavirus and concerns at their campus. So we'll continue to monitor this situation for you and update you on how it will affect colleges in our area. For now, we're live in Providence. I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.
Our in-depth coverage of the coronavirus continues on WPRI.com. We have tips from health officials on how to best protect yourself from the virus, what to do if you become sick, and a map from the CDC of where the virus has been found so far. It's all on WPRI.com.